Want to create an AI avatar that talks, moves, and presents just like a real person, all in under 60 seconds? With HeyGen, you can. Whether you're making faceless content, product explainers, or personal brand videos, HeyGen makes avatar creation fast and beginner friendly. Start by logging into your HeyGen account. On the dashboard, click Create Video, and you will see a list of avatars. These are digital presenters powered by AI. You can browse through dozens of avatars across different lifestyles, ethnicities, and tones, each one ready to speak your script. Once you pick your avatar, simply type your script into the editor. HeyGen automatically turns your text into a natural sounding voiceover using AI voice synthesis. You can even choose the accent, language, and the vibe that matches your message. Want to make it even more custom? Upgrade to create your own avatar by playing a short video clip of yourself speaking. HeyGen will process it and turn you into a talking avatar that you can use anytime. Perfect for branding without having to record new videos every time. Add your background, upload visuals, tweak the layout, and hit generate. In less than a minute, you've got a fully produced AI avatar video, no camera, no mic, no editing tools required. Try creating your first AI avatar on HeyGen today and start making professional faceless videos that feel personal. Follow for more quick tutorials on AI tools that save you time and effort.